Hi, everyone. It's Dr. Dave coming to you from New York, the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic. I was asked a question by a patient today who is a grandparent. Is it safe to see my grandchildren? And unfortunately, I had to say no. So here's the deal. We are close to getting to the point where we call the surge of the COVID-19 pandemic, which theoretically would be the highest point, the most number of cases. So especially now, if you're over the age of 60 in general, but if you're over the age of 60 and if you're a grandparent, you really need to isolate. You need to avoid going out unless it's absolutely necessary for food or medicines, and avoid seeing relatives and grandchildren, at least up close. You can wave to them from the curb. You can see them online. You can call them, but for the foreseeable future, it's really important because kids, even though, thank God, they're not as affected by COVID-19 as adults, they can actually carry COVID-19 and be asymptomatic. And that would, of course, pose a risk to you as a grandparent as a high-risk population over the age of 90. So I would say, please stay isolated for now, not socially isolated, physically isolated, and let's not have grandchildren visit until we know that we're over this thing. Okay, guys, until next time, this is Dr. Dave.